So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do text-to-speech in a PDF document. This happens to be a PDF of an entire book. It's 146 pages. I'm starting here at page 28, which is really the start of the main story here. And so what you want in order to be able to do to get to text-to-speech, you're going to go to View, Read Out Loud, and I've already activated, but normally you would see an activate here. I can also deactivate it. So it will, I'm going to set it to read this page only so you can hear it.
They called him Moishi the Beetle, as if his entire life he had never had a surname. He was the jack.
So now I'm going to go ahead and stop. You also have inside of here your read aloud, you have these shift control buttons that you can use if you don't want to keep coming to the menu. I would probably go ahead and write those down if I was using this extensively and just get used to them. You can read this page only, you can read to the end of the document, and then obviously pause and stop are useful as well. If you don't want to have that available, you can always deactivate it. And when you want to come back in and activate it, you just hit activate. If you want to set preferences, so the speed and things like that, you're going to go to Edit, Preferences, and come down here in the categories to Reading. And I probably wouldn't change the reading order because they have some recommendations, but you can try things out. You might have something with tag documents, screen reader options. You only want to read the currently visible pages, read the entire document. So you have some default things here. And then minimum number of pages in a large document and confirm before tagging. But these are things that I haven't played with at all, but I have played with the read out loud options. So you can play with the volume. You can talk about using a default voice. I happen to pick Zara, who's a female voice, but you could easily have David if you wanted. And then pitch matters depending on your own preferences. And then I find words per minute. This was originally set at 150, and that was a little bit faster than I would have liked. So I set it at 120. And that's definitely somewhere you would want to play with to see where your comfort level is. And then you just say OK, and it saves that. And so that's how you get to use the read out loud function in PDF. Thank you.